going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to share with you a quick strategy that you can use to make money with Canva. Now with this strategy, how much you can earn is completely limitless, because once you learn how to do this and to market yourself properly, the sky's the limit on what you can earn, and you can definitely set your own prices and you can set your own schedule of when you're going to be able to work. Now, if you have been looking over the internet and you've been trying to find ways to make money online, and all you're hearing about is drop shipping, or maybe even hearing about getting started with network marketing, and those type of things don't excite you, then you definitely want to look into this, because with this strategy with Canva, this is going to be a form of freelancing. And if you're not sure what freelancing is, it's simply where you can sell your skills and earn money. So even if you have never used Canva before, or you don't have any type of graphic design experience, that's completely fine, because I'm going to share with you how you can gain the experience to use Canva, and then also places where you can actually market yourself, so that way you can find clients and you can actually sell your services and earn money. So continue watching the video. And then also, anything that I cover in this video, I'm going to include in the show notes, and you can find that link in the description box below this video. And make sure you leave a comment below, make money with Canva. Leave that in the comment section below, and let's dive into the content. So right now we're looking at Canva, and right now I am using the free version. And for you getting started with this strategy, you can definitely use the free version, so that way you can work your way around the actual platform, the website. You can see what things that they offer and everything else. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to learn how to create, templates, how to create, Instagram posts and all these type of things. So the first thing that you want to do is that when you come over to canva.com, and I'm going to include a link below where it'll bring you directly to this website, what you want to do is you want to come over here and just kind of scan through and see the different type of templates that they offer. You can also come up here to learn, and up here they have a wide variety of different tutorials that's going to show you how to actually use Canva. So you have getting started with Canva, designing with Canva, social media marketing. This is going to be huge as far as what I'm going to share with you in this video. Also graphic design hacks, branding your business, and then they also have a design school, additional courses, tutorials, and everything else that you can learn. Something else that you can also do is you can come over here to YouTube, and you can do a search for a Canva tutorial for beginners, and you can just go through some of these videos, learn about Canva, take a few days and learn about Canva, learn about how to get started. And this way you can definitely navigate yourself better around the actual platform. And again, it's going to help you to learn how to design. So again, if you have no experience whatsoever when it comes to designing and graphic design or anything like that, those tutorials are going to help you. Also with Canva, it's pretty intuitive. So you can choose any of these things. So let's choose Instagram post. And what I mean by intuitive is that even if you don't know anything at all and you don't even want to watch the videos, you can go ahead and get started, and you can see they already give you some templates that you can use in order to use your Instagram post. So let's choose this one right here. And as you can see here, you can choose on anything to kind of change it up. So if we were to click on that, we could change the actual color of that box. If we want to change this, we'll just highlight the text, and then you can come over here and you can actually change the fonts. Okay, so it's still really intuitive, and this is just an easier and simpler version to use instead of using something like Photoshop or something like that. This whole platform is very user friendly. So what I want to share with you are a few ways that you can actually leverage Canva and what you can do to create things in order for you to earn money. And then after this, make sure you continue watching the video, because I'm going to share with you a few places where you can actually market yourself, so that way you can actually sell the things that you create on Canva. So we're back on the home page at Canva, and as you guys can see here, I use it quite often, and I also have the paid version. Now the paid version is $12 per month, and you get access to more elements, more templates, and things like that you can use. So I would definitely recommend that once you get started with this, or if you already have some type of experience with Canva, that you go ahead and upgrade to the pro version, so that way you get access to additional features within this platform. So what you can do first is you can actually create templates to resell. And what I mean by this is that when you go over to Instagram and you see people who, like this page right here, how you can actually create these type of posts. Because a lot of times when people are using Instagram, they're using Instagram to help them to market their business. And a lot of people don't have time to actually create these posts and everything else. So what you can do is you can create a simple template that they can edit on their own, And it could be something with a black background, or this one right here that has like an ace card in the back. And this could just be part of a package that also includes like the highlight pictures right here. You can customize these. All of these things you can do inside of Canva. You can create these inside of Canva and you can resell them. So if we go over here to Etsy and let's say you do a search for Instagram templates, you can see here, this is what people are doing. So this template package right here, it has 70 Instagram posts that people can edit, and they're selling it for $20. So if you sold 5 of these per if you sold 5 of these per day, that's $100 right there. Also right here, this one is the ultimate real estate marketing templates. I'm not sure how many have in this package, but they're selling it for $156. So you see the pricing on here. They charge $40 here. Some of them go as low as $6. Some of them are $4. And they kind of just grow from there. So you can definitely come over here to Etsy to kind of gain some inspiration and things like that. And this is where you can actually create templates or just get some ideas of some template packages that you can create. Also, when you come to websites like or use the app for TikTok, if you come over here and let's pull up a business page here. And if we pull up business, let's pull up this one right here. And you can see that they all have just one link. And it's the same thing when you come over here to Instagram. So if you come over here to Instagram, they allow their members to only have one link. So if you are a business person and you have multiple things that you're promoting, just one link inside of your bio is not going to be enough. So what people are typically doing is they are creating link trees or bio links that when people click on those links, it actually goes to multiple things. So let's go ahead and click on the link for this one. And as you can see here, this particular page has multiple links. And this is what people are using when it comes to Instagram and TikTok. They need something with multiple links. People are actually using these on Facebook and other social medias as well. So you can also create this inside of Canva. So we come back over here to Canva and we go to the search bar and let's put bio link. And as you can see here, they have a variety of different templates that you can use, and you can just edit them to change the color, the picture, the text, anything like that. And you can resell these services and things like that. So that's another way that you can earn by creating designs in Canva. Something else that you can also do is YouTube packages. So if we come over here and we come back over here to the search bar and let's put in YouTube, we have the YouTube channel art. So this is when you go to somebody's YouTube page and you see that huge banner with their name on it or something like that. You can create those inside of Canva. Also, you can create YouTube thumbnails. So this is another type of package that you can create when you're offering things to people. You can offer them a banner for their page. You can also offer them custom thumbnails that they can use. Also, something that they can also use, you can put in YouTube intros. And they have a wide variety of different video templates that you can use to create intros and outro videos. And you can include those in part of those packages. So that's what you can do on Canva. And again, guys, the sky's the limit of everything that you can create over here. So you can create Instagram posts. You can create ebook covers. Also checklists. So something that's really big when it comes to people who are creating businesses online is to create lead magnets. And what these lead magnets are free things that we can give people in exchange to get their email address online. So we can build an email list. So you can create lead magnets for people and create checklists. You can create logos. And again, the sky's the limit of all the things that you can create on Canva. So when you get started with this strategy, you want to make sure that you have some experience with Canva. And again, you do that by coming up here to the Learn tab. Going through some of these videos, I would definitely start with getting started with Canva, and then also social media marketing. And you also want to go through branding your business. You can actually create an entire service where you actually help people to brand their business. So they will come to you. You can help them to sort out their brand colors, their logo. You can also help them to determine what type of font they want to use. So that way they have a full cohesive look when it comes to all their social media platforms. And they can come directly to you for that. And you can charge quite a bit of money to do that by creating an entire branding kit for a business. So now that you have seen the basics of what you can create with Canva and actually how you can actually learn how to use Canva effectively, the next thing that you need to do in order to make all of this work is that you need to find a place to market yourself. This is where the money comes in, because you can learn how to create designs on Canva and everything else, but if people don't know about your services, then they can't purchase templates from you. They can't purchase packages from you, so that way you can earn money. Let me show you a few places where you can market your services so that way you can start earning. So the first place that I showed you earlier is Etsy. So you can create an account on Etsy, and this is where you can actually sell your templates for Instagram. So this is a good place to start. You can also create a page on Instagram where you have like your own portfolio. So you can kind of highlight the different types of Instagram posts. You can also highlight pictures right here, and it can serve as a portfolio. So if anybody wants to see what you can design, they can come over to your Instagram, and then you can show them different templates that you have created for sale, and then your link in the bio can go to your Etsy store or something like that where they can actually purchase those templates. Also, you can come over here to Fiverr.com. You can come over here to Fiverr where you can post your services and you can actually earn as well. So you can see here people are actually selling video thumbnails. Also, you see right here somebody is selling a YouTube banner, and their starting price is at $45. So just imagine that. And if you come over here, you can actually type into Canva into the search bar, and then you can see the different type of things that people are actually posting on Fiverr that they're actually leveraging Canva for in order to earn. So people are, I will design anything in Canva. I'll design social media posts. I'll design Instagram posts to flyers and things like that. And you can kind of scroll down and you can kind of get a good idea of the things that you can actually create simply by using Canva, and then you could post those services on Fiverr in order to earn. And you could do this with pretty much a lot of these freelancing websites, including Upwork, freelancer.com as well. Also, another place that you want to come to is Facebook. And you want to come over here to Facebook, and what we want to do is we want to use Facebook groups, and that way we can go directly to the people who actually need our services in order to make some sales. So in the search bar, I just put in business women, and I'm going to come over here and click on groups. So you can come over here, you can join some of these women business groups, and this is where you can actually connect directly to women entrepreneurs who actually need your services when it comes to Instagram marketing, when it comes to their social media posts and things like that. And you can join these groups right here where you can connect directly with other women entrepreneurs in order to sell your services or even post your services in some of these groups. Some of these groups allow where you can actually post about your business. You can also build relationships inside of these groups, so that way you can get your first initial client. So that way you can show your client, info on your portfolio page that you have created on Instagram or whatever it is. And this is how you're going to be able to get your first sales. And what you want to do is you want to create a marketing plan that you're going to stick with every single day. So that means you're going to post in a few groups, at least 5 groups per day. Or you're going to create a business page on Instagram, and you want to make sure that you're posting it on there at least 1 to 2 times per day on Instagram, letting people know about your business, about the templates and the packages that they can offer, that you offer, so that way they can purchase it. And it's going to be the same thing if you do with Fiverr. You want to make sure that you are marketing your services on Fiverr so that way you can generate sales. So again, create an account with Canva. Make sure you go through the tutorials, learn some basics about Canva, and start to create templates and things like that that you can resell. Also, if you were to decide to do this on Etsy, understand that you can make a lot of money selling templates on Etsy. Actually, one person that I just recently seen her video, she's making $30,000 per month selling templates on Instagram. And these templates you can create all within Canva. So again, go through the tutorials, learn how to use Canva and be a little bit more proficient with it, and the more you have the potential to earn. So in this video, I share with you really quickly how you can make money with Canva. You're simply going to become a freelancer, and you're going to create templates. You're going to create different design packages that you can sell on sites like Fiverr, on Etsy, and things like that in order to earn money. And because you're doing this as a freelancer, the potential for you to make more money is limitless, okay? So you can charge as much as you want. You can charge as low as you want. All you want to do is that if you go with this strategy, you want to make sure that you are marketing your services every single day, so that way more and more people can actually see your content, see your templates, and that's how you're going to be able to earn. Now, if you found this video helpful, again, anything that I cover in this video, including additional tools or resources that can help you with this strategy, can be found in the show notes, and I'm going to include that link in the description box below this video. Also, if you found this video helpful, leave me a comment below, let me know below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.